All right, everyone, here we are with another video to invest for tomorrow. To all the first-time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the top 2 stocks setting up to explode for tomorrow. They turn out to be penny stocks, but before we look at their charts, I want to share with you guys the home runs that were hit this morning over at the Discord. We went 3 for 3, and the highest home run was 70% plus at its highest point of possibility. We're going to jump into that, and we're going to talk about these charts and why these 2 stocks are setting up to explode and what key levels I will be watching. So what were the home runs of the day? Well, today we went 3 for 3. Every single stock mentioned gave us a home run opportunity, and if this is something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together through the volatility of the market. And this is our goal daily, to look for home runs, 5 to 10%, 10 to 20%, and 20% plus is a home run, guys. So here are the stocks we mentioned: IMV, ZEV, and FULC. Now the morning was looking a little choppy, but it's all about timing and execution. This one right here, IMV, pulled down, hit 195 and took off to 240. This was a 20% plus opportunity. That was a home run for the day. And our highest home run of the day was FULC. Started watching it in the pre-market, pulled downwards and nearly doubled at a highest point of 70% plus, as well as ZEV turned out to be a great one. Had pulled back, it was starting to build momentum, started watching it at these levels at 940, took off for a nice 5 to 10% jump, pulled right back down and took off to a highest point of possibility of 20% plus. This is what we do daily, guys. Our realistic expectation is 5 to 10%. Anything beyond 10% is phenomenal, and 20% plus is a home run. This is our goal every single day, looking for opportunities, and this is something you can become part of as well, and we look forward to having you join us. Let's jump back into the chart and everything about it. So the first stock here on the list is SNDL, Sundial Growers Inc. As you could see today, it pulled back pretty hard. It did take off in the pre-market from 82 to 84, and that's given a nice little jump, but the stock has pulled back about 2% from those highs to 3%, hitting this low. Now this stock right now, when you zoom out, it's been consolidating within this channel, right? From 77 cents all the way up to 89 cents. So that's about a 10 to 12% area where this stock has built some strength. If it doesn't break through 77 cents, it is true strength that can actually take this up to newer highs and new resistance levels, especially if it breaks off of 88 cents, uses it as support right there like that, and then just bounces off, right? So it's going to be important right now for this stock to hold itself up, but most importantly, to stay above certain key support levels. So what I'm going to be watching going into tomorrow is how close does it get to 80 cents? It says here 79.02. How close does this get to 80 cents? And if it doesn't, right, I'm going to watch carefully where the support forms, because right now the support here based off today is 80.74. So I would watch it closely towards 80 cents. So there's still 0.0074 to watch closely between that area and 80 cents to see how the stock reacts, and if the bulls can actually bounce off of that, stay above it, and then it could actually reverse and start to push upwards, because this is setting up for a prime opportunity, especially after holding up and jumping up from these lows here of 60 cents and some change all the way up to 149. It's been in a downtrend and it's built some strength here. So this stock is in a position to be setting up for an opportunity, but you want to do your due diligence and research based off the charts and do further digging to understand what's the key level that's going to best fit your expectation and goals, because everybody has different goals, right? Some have 3 to 5%, some have 5 to 10%, others have 10 to 20%, and some have 100% goals. You know, everyone has a different goal, so you definitely want to pay close attention to what's the best opportunity for you. But this is in a position setting up for an opportunity. Now, what do the bulls need to break through? Well, I talked about 84 cents. That's a key level right there. And then up here at 88 cents, if you just want to round it up to 89 cents, for this to actually bounce off of that and take off to newer highs and possibly even form a short squeeze or a gamma squeeze, which is what a lot of investors are possibly expecting from this one, since it's a meme stock as well. Now, what's the next ticker symbol you want to actually pay close attention to that's setting up to explode? The other ticker symbol is MMAT, Meta Materials Inc. Now, this is a stock that took a big plunge towards the split, after the split, and it hit all-time lows here of about $3.04. Now, we've seen how fast this moves from $3 to $4. It did it right here as well, $3 to almost $4. Well, actually, it hit that peak right there of $4, almost of $3.80. And we've seen how the stock reacts and how it performs in the fact of these areas, right? In this type of environment and in this type of movement. So it was a huge, huge time where this came out with news, and here it is building momentum off of it as well. So this stock is taking off, and it continues to consolidate at newer highs, and it's working its way up. And the question is, could it continue the staircase effect to jump up from here, bounce off of there, and keep on going higher? And that's why we want to look at key levels that we're going to look at in just a moment for the coming days, and specifically going into tomorrow and the rest of this week. This is setting up and becoming prime to explode if it holds itself up. So these are the levels I'm watching. If it pulls back below 346, I would watch carefully how it reacts between 346 and down here at 326 to see if the bulls are holding up and putting up a fight and not letting this go any lower. Now, if it breaks through 326, I will be more cautious and pay close attention to what's going on. But the closer this gets to $3 and even below it, the bigger the opportunity, because we've seen how this holds itself up in this consolidation and how well it's held up above $3 and what has happened around $3 and some change when it shoots up and takes off, guys. Now, this has built some momentum here off of news that just came out recently of an acquisition and a merger that they're doing. So MMAT, Meta Materials Inc. is in a position to continue if it breaks through the resistance here, and that resistance is 375, and slightly right above it, the most recent high is 380. And if that gets broken through, I would start paying attention to the $4 range and everything above it moving forward and beyond that. So I will pay close attention to the support levels here. If it holds up, it might be an opportunity. The closer it gets to $3, if it is falling, I would watch it very closely. And if it falls below $3, it's becoming an even bigger opportunity at those levels, because we've seen how this stock reacts from $3 to $4 and how it reacts above it and how it's been holding itself up pretty strong. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below on these two stocks. Which one do you like more? And out of the two, do you hold a position? Are you looking to add to your position? Have you been averaging up, averaging down? Where is it that you're at, and how do you feel about it moving forward? As always, this is not financial advice. This is just me enlightening you guys on the stocks I'm watching, why I'm watching them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.